Alright, welcome to this little series we're doing, where we're going to see how long it takes to get max rank in Black Ops 2 Zombies. We're going to start off with Transit here. Fucking hate this map, I'll be so honest. I'm not good at it. I've never gotten good at it and never wanted to get good at it. But I thought, you know what, for science, we'll get good at Transit. We'll play an actual game of it and see what happens. So I guess first things first. Oh no, I'm Misty. Misty's voice just gets annoying after a while, man. Oh, this is a bad start already. Just had to check my mic was recording. Oh, yeah, damn, that would have been terrible if I played this entire game and the mic wasn't on. Not like that's happened before. Okay, so we got the turbine. Let's see what lovely bus part we get in here, if any. The okay. I didn't really want this, but okay, it's fine, it'll do. Let's go park this fucking thing on the bus. Almost say good day to the goofiest motherfucker I've ever seen in my life. Fucking Ted. Just stay him. He's got jeans on his head. Look at him. I don't know if you can whack him and make him go. Oh, fuck. It's kind of realistic in that way, because usually when I punch the bus driver, I only get to punch him once before he kicks me off. I guess there's no real reason to not kill. Oh, wait, is this thing gonna kill the zombie when I want the points? Oh, I guess it just made him respawn. Yeah. Ooh, look at this mother. Look at them go. Well, there's like 4 zombies left. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I am not building the jet gun. Let's be so honest. Let's be so for real. I'm not buying the jet gun. Get out of town if you think I'm doing that. Oh my god. I guess the play I think is going to be AK-74U or something. And a ray gun. And we'll just kind of go with that and see where that takes us. To get set up at first, I'm going to buy this little gun here. Don't think it's very good, but it is what it is. We'll try it out. We'll try it out. I have faith in it. Round 1, and I've done pretty well. I suppose the thing I really want is the Galvan Knuckles. I don't want to deal with the deck, the electric deck. Let me off the bus. The box is here. I don't know if I can be too bothered with it. Turbine, turbine. Please give me this match. The ladder, okay. It's fine, I'll be at farm then. Just get all the points I can get out of these people. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my god, I nearly just died there. That would have been terrible. Let's jump on the bus, bro. No space on my desk, huh? I rearranged my desk recently and I think I fucked that, can't lie. Right, well, I guess let's get out of here since there's nothing I can really do. Ted, get the fuck going. I know, man, I know, it's terrible, let's get going. Can't be fucked. Oh, bastard. Oh, fuck. That's not what I wanted to happen. Okay, well, I think if I can confirm it'll be at farm. I got the other 2 parts, so we'll be at farm. I'm just gonna try and get him to go. And go straight to power and get the AK. Oh, look at these geezers, man. Look at these geezers, man. I like this motherfucker. Wow, nice one. One thing I think that they mastered very well with this map was the early game. Like, okay, when I say the early game, I mean the first trip round in the bus. Hey, whoa, don't even fucking start, buddy. You're banned. Like the first trip round on the bus when you're surviving with nothing but pistols and knives and shit is really fun. It's good crack. I'll give it that much. Insta kill. Let's use it for knife points. I'm fucking loaded with points. Holy shit, game. Thank you. I actually just learned you could do this yesterday, which is pretty cool. Oh my god, that double points was brilliant. Close the door. Get out. Get out of town. The character's talking to nobody. She's talking to the other characters, but I'm playing Sullivan. She's lost the plot, honestly. Can't do anything right, these women. You just snipe these zombies off the back of the bus. Got one. Pulling up in the power station. We're pulling up. We are pulling up, bro. I can't see. Wonder if there's a way to do it. Let's see. Choose one. Zero. I don't know if this means I can't rank up anymore. That. Oh my god, that looks so much better. I can see. It's brilliant. Right, well, let's not fuck about. We have the power to build. Fuck. The bus might leave me otherwise. I knew there was a command or something like that. I knew it was the same kind of thing like CSGO used to have, like a different console. You can just turn shit off when you want. It's brilliant. Where's the hand? This is the most annoying part, I think. Find it. What I'm worried is that the bus leaves me behind. So I can't find a hand on the floor, like, come on, bro. Right? No, the bus is leaving me. Fucking god. Am I gonna have to Google hand spawn locations? I don't want to Google it. I want you to be a pro so bad because you're pissing me off. Oh. Oh. Oh no. It was a pretty cool grenade, but it didn't mean to kill him. Tiny break to look for this stupid hand. Up there. Fuck, why do you need the hand on the power thing? Is it just to literally just so it has 3 parts? Just to piss you off? Oh god, this thing sucks. I'm actually gonna Google it, bro. One sec. Google helping me out here. So we got on the floor right in front of the. That's it. No, it's a hand off of regular zombie. What the fuck? Right. We got just outside the doorway leading into the main power switch. What the fuck? I don't know, I just died. Thank god for the. No, oh my god, I found it. I found it. Found it. Found it. Oh my god. Why do you need that, bro? That's so dumb. But it's the annoying thing about, like, so I have to get the hatch from farm, and then I need to go all the way back around the map with the bus. That's the problem with the bus, is that you have to do so much bullshit to just play the map and just get the buildables and shit. Right, let's try out this new fog thing that I've discovered. So, oh my god, you can see! Oh, I love this! I hope this still lets me, like, impact my rank. Might be dumb, but if it didn't, but... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, but I can't tell you how good this looks. This looks so much better than the... Even with the fog. The fog's just dumb. The fog just makes it unenticing, which I suppose is what they want. Like, they don't want people just, like, training in the middle of fucking nowhere. They probably want you training in, like, the actual areas. They don't want you to, like, find a stupid spot out here. But, you know, I am lucky that there's only one zombie left. Maybe the bus will come around soon. Would like that for sure. I don't like these guys, man. I don't like them, bro. They can piss off. honestly. Well, I just heard the bus, I think. I wanted to hear him on the bus go like, oh, we're all gonna die! That would have been so funny. I don't really know what the plan is now. I've got Chug. There's no like wall weapons here. I don't know if I can like, can I actually even run back to town? Oh, I can try these denizen portals. Fuck it, I'm trying the denizen portal. Wait, I'm supposed to get one on my face. Oh my god, perfect, that's what I wanted. Just what I wanted. Just what I wanted. How can... yes, you can, dumbass. See, this is actually kind of fun when you don't have the fog in your face. And I'm wasting all my ammo on this fucking thing. Oh, I'm just... Chicken for it! Do I buy this? Yeah. I'm buying that. I don't care. Carpenter, not really worth it. It's the fact that they don't stop. They're everywhere, they just don't fuck off. And there's no way you can, like, beat them. I know these zombies are gonna be running at me and I've got to knife this idiot off my face. Oh my god, mate, stop it. You're not funny. You're not funny, stop it, game, bro. Oh my god. Seem better at least be useful. I have a sneaking suspicion I shouldn't have bought this. Oh, what the fuck? Assault rifle my arse, I think there's nothing. MP5 is probably better. Oh great, right at the end of the round. Thanks, game. Jesus, man. This gun sucks. Oh, got the box here. Forgot about that. I was wanting to keep the AK and swap out whatever else I got. Probably should get B2TR then. Just so you know where I'm after. So the box before it's too late. Oh my god, this thing's close. The bus coming down? I have an SMR. Look at the B2TR with better. But they just don't die. They just don't die. I wouldn't even use this as an insta-kill. Dead piss off right now. Dead piss off right now. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Oh, I don't want to walk through here. Dino music. Classic. This gun needs swapped out urgently. Just grenade the fuck out of the place. What did I get? What did I get? Python. He'll do. It'll actually at least kill something. Oh my lord, bro, this thing sucks. No. The biggest problem with it is going to be the reload. I need to solve that problem. But at the same time, I don't get double tapping ammo for the AK, so I'm going to do that. And I'll be able to get the part as well. Oh my god. Wait, Marcus, are you joking? Come on, Ted, let's get the fuck on the road. Buddy, come on. Aim on the back of this bus, bro. Mysterious and dangerous force just ahead. How are you not dead? We're going? Oh my god, this actually looks so cool when you don't have fog in the way. I need to reload now. Did that just one shot? Not one shot though. I wonder if we can disable those clouds as well. Guard double tap, that's nice, that's nice. Bang, bang. You get my part now? Yep, got the hatch, perfect. Got the hatch, got the fucking hatch. Let's go. Let's go. This is getting intense still. Round, what, 9? Fuck. Might save it for truly dangerous bastards. We're able to get some ammo soon? Oh, I can't wait. Power station looks so cool when you can actually see it, bro. What the fuck? They had all this really good stuff. This game looks so good when there's no fog. Oh my god. Let's see if this like fucks up, man. Rank, I'm gonna cry. They're breaking in! They're being refractory. Get them. Fucking get them. I'm actually gonna place down... What the fuck do you want? Excuse me. Excuse me. What the dick? I'm actually just gonna place the turbine. Oh god, so we're trying to break our turbine. So I can get a fresh one. For when I eventually decide to pack a punch. Why does he stop here? Oh! Ted, get the fuck going. Ted, get the fuck going. Get the fuck going, Ted, now. We're fucked. Buddy. Ted, there's turd sniffers. Let's go. Oh, what a joke. So I nearly have enough for Galvanoggles. That'll be an exciting purchase when I get that. I don't know if I should buy back the B23R, because this thing has 6 bullets. And I'm gonna... Okay, deal is, I'll use them when we get to the bus station, or while I'm getting my turbine. And if I don't get max ammo in that time, then we're fucked. We're not really fucked, to be fair, because we're gonna go back to the box. Okay, double points, that's kind of one way to do it. Oh, Carpenter! I'd love the points from that. Bitch. Alright, we gotta get the B23R, honestly. Max ammo! You're joking! You're joking, I just watched it fly away! Got turbine. Let's get going, man. Had enough. Points aren't really going to be a problem, but... Oh my god, this gun is going to be a problem because it's so ass. I don't know why I'm so hellbent on Pack-a-Punch and the AK. Because I haven't done it in so long. I actually almost have enough for the other stuff I want as well, Speed Cola. The other stuff! They're breaking in. Settle down, Dick. It's just a storm. Alright. Got ammo? Got ammo. Yes, one bullet. Wait, confidently reload that shit and miss. Nice. Okay, well this is where I plan to get my bear gun. Anyway. There's too many zombies out here. I need to kill some of them. I need to hit the box for gun, probably. CMPs. Those actually might... there's no point. That's a teddy bear. Oh my god, that's not what I wanted to see, man. Speed cola. Let's get Galvin Knuckles, I guess. Get back on this fucking bus. Nothing is ever as simple as it seems, man. I have to do pack much twice and I cry. I might actually not even bother. Is. Oh, this is a joke. Well, I can knife the zombies, I guess. Galvin Knuckles have came in clutch. They'll be good against the electric bastard too. This will get me the points I need to pack a punch. Oh, double. That would have been great, but it's the stupid bus. Bro, they could have easily made it so that drops didn't fly away. Oh, I got metal barriers now. Huh, that's cool. I've rebuilt that many barriers. Bro, I'm gonna have to do the old Pack-a-Punch dance again, man. I don't know where the box is. Unless the box is at town. Which I don't think it is. I think it's at the bus depot. Which is a fucking joke, if you ask me. Oh, it was just casually knocked down Totem, because that makes sense. This map made no sense. I did like it though. It was a big change though from previous shit. Like to go from Moon to this is kind of insane. Oh, round 14 just started. Oh, this is going to be more dicey than I want it to be. Seeing as these guys can't knife anymore. Alright, I think I've kind of got to buy ammo. They're all hitting my turbine. They're all hitting my turbine. No, don't hit my turbine. They are all hitting my turbine. Maybe if I run away from it? No, they're hitting it. They're destroying it, bro. They're destroying my turbine. I need to do it at the end of a round. Are you joking? Oh, I hate this game, man. They've definitely destroyed my turbine. Oh. A carpenter? Oh, fuck off, game. You're joking me. See if this bus leaves me. But I haven't even said what the goal is, bro. I'm trying to get to round 30, though. This is gonna be a joke if this is what it's gonna be. So I have to go back to the bus depot, get a new fucking turbine, get a new gun from the... I'm not... I don't want to run it. That seems to be the last zombie, so let's build these barriers up in his face. I don't think he's smart enough. Maybe they did leave it long enough for me to get lucky. We'll try. We'll pray. Didn't think so. Alright, how much points do I need? I suppose I'll just put them in the bank for next game. Oh, right, Ted. Move it. I'll come back to you when I got this shit set up, honestly. We're pulling back up on the box now. Still round 14. Oh. Let's grab the turbine. Nothing's changed. I kinda wanna just swap my gun, my B23R for something nice. After end the round, after end the round. Well, EMPs again! I'll take them just for speed. Oh my god, I wish this guy could be a crawler, but he'll die if I end the round. Please, just ballistic knife. Fucking joke. Are you joking me? So I can just buy the B23R back at him. Yeah. It's not RPG, are you joking? What the fuck game? A foul? Okay. Okay, well let's just go get Pack-a-Punch then. I don't give a fuck anymore. I've gotten bored. I'm gonna run it from farm till town. Oh wait, I'm a fuck. Wait, no, that's fine. Bro, see when you're not doing anything on the bus, like killing zombies or anything, that takes fucking forever, bro. It's so annoying. These guys I did not miss though. See, why is it these random firecracks as if we're gonna actually fucking walk here, bro? Maybe to make that a bit more obvious, because, you know, fog. But I don't care what people say. Transit is as bad as people make it out to be, bro. It is fucking annoying to play. It's not fun to play the same way that any of the other maps have been fun. Oh, forgot I got these. They're really good. Stop fucking fighting bastards. Yeah, there you go. People that say it's better than we remember or either didn't play it when it came out and are LARPing, or are just driven by nostalgia. Bro, this shit is annoying. This isn't the same zombies experience I remember. This is just fucking annoying. This isn't fun. Let's get this zombie. I want to ignore my turbine. I have to kill him, I will. Go for me, go for me. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Remember this gonna some quicker. Turbine to die. Oh my god. Let my sprint recover because I'm going to fall in that jump that one day or another. And let's just get our feet on the gas, bro. Let's go. Get in. Go. Go. Oh my god, it's open. I can't believe it. This is payday 2 shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, this might be a first time ever for me doing this. The table? Bro, this place is so cramped. I hate it in down here, bro. I found all the parts at least. Get battery on it. There's the Pack-a-Punch thing there. Right, let's just farm up points now, guys. Ah, here comes the bus. Bit late, buddy. I might actually have to come back here for another gun. I don't even know if I should bother. Like at a certain point. Like if I get a ray gun or something, like it's gonna be fine with or without Pack-a-Punch, but the ammo is gonna be a problem. Double points, what am I doing? I'm supposed to let them come in. Here I am blowing them up. Oh, I'm gonna die. The fuck is this spot? Behind Pack-a-Punch. Go to the spot, question mark? Reload. Oh yeah, just farm up all the points I can. 10 points off, you mad? this thing in the machine. Finally, after all this time. What I've been training for. Alright, we finally got it, the AK-74 FU2. I don't know whether I pack a punch this or just build up some points or what, like... So I don't really want to use this. I can always come back. I can always come back, can I? Yeah, I can. I'll come back for it. I want to watch that shot. I guess I can. The bus is still here. It's great. It's great. It's great. Let's get in the bus. Let's get out of here, Ted. Let's go hit the box. No, that's brilliant, Ted. Let's go. Let's get the hell on the road, buddy. I think I would have been overrun if it weren't for the barriers, to be fair. They are kind of useful. It's a bit of a dumb perk outside of... It doesn't really have much use outside of this. I don't ever get that with a foul. They just shoot so fast it just doesn't. Oh my god, look how many of them there are. Oh, yeah, the Galvan uppers are a great idea. Oh my god. I'm grabbing another turbine. Already have one. Already have one. Already have one. Already have one. I hear him. He's here. Where the fuck is he? Good chops, man. What's gonna red screen me? I don't know why I won't just EMP him. Just EMP the pogs. Something good, please, man. I need something good. I think it didn't take my quicker right away. Just go with DSR. It'd be good. Stop that game. I might honestly just run with this instead of the fucking thing then. The ray gun. Get some iron slates on it or something. I'm not using the pack-a-punch gun. Seems actually really good. Wonder. I can tell the box is at town, bro. I don't know if I bother even running back. I'm trying again. I'm gonna just get pack-a-punched and go to farm. I'll pack-a-punch this thing. We'll use it. We'll use it. It's probably good enough to get us around 30 anyway. Probably quite slowly, but I have to do. No scope them off the bus. No scope idiot. Oh my god. Body shots. God, this thing is not as good as I thought it was. Well, it's a sniper rifle. What can you expect? Well, no. Don't. Yeah, this gun's good. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that gun. I didn't get a turbine, did I? I didn't get a turbine. I didn't get a turbine. I didn't get a turbine. Didn't get a turbine. Oh, I didn't get a turbine. I just want to hear a funny joke. I didn't get a turbine. I didn't get a turbine. This is great news, guys. That's just great news, guys. I didn't get a turbine. Oh no. How many there are. Let's just EMP them. Fuck it. Think that did anything. What a fucking joke this game is, bro. Yeah, get the fuck out of here. If I have to buy the B23R again, I'm gonna cry. As soon as I didn't get another turbine, I might as well just go back to town and get another gun. Oh my god, man. Just build up these barriers. Let's get it pushing. I don't know if I even bother running the strat outside of farm yet. I don't have a gun that I can use. I want the box to be at farm. That would be ideal. Let me just start whacking a bit. I know, Ted. I know. I know. I know. I know, bro. You're tough as fuck. You're tough as shit. You're tough as nails, buddy, but, like, we've got to go. But the drops have been terrible this game. Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here, Ted. Come on. Max ammo! Oh, we're alive. We're alive. We're alive. We're alive. We're alive. We're alive. Build points, build points, build points, build points. We need to hit the box as much as possible. Oh my god, oh my god. We are alive again. Was this thing even good anymore? Build the barriers, build these fucking barriers, come on bro. No, it was reminding me of those like idle mining games, bro. Don't do bullshit for a bit. Don't need that double points and go. Power station. I can fend off these zombies with this, there's not that many left. Is this thing even good enough anymore? Body shot? Oh god, this isn't good. I guess if we just battle stuff them, it's fine. I wanna know where the box is. I wanna have no clue to actually. Look at this geezer. So I got this gun. This gun will do good. I want a ray gun or something. I'm going to get a fucking ray gun, bro. Now we are in town. Holy shit. Let's do this, guys. I'm getting a fucking ray gun. I don't care. I hope I can get monkeys, actually. That'd be nice. Box. Shoot it twice. Spins. And get a Type 25. Okay. There you go. Bullets. Box. Hammer. Oh, good, good, good. Right direction, right direction, right direction. Okay. Ray gun. Bow again. Teddy bear, are you joking? Are you serious? Game! Game, you've got to be joking me, man. This game, it wants me to die. It wants me to die. Okay. Let's just see where it is. My box luck has been off in this game. I can't even see where the box is. So way back there. Oh, this game is pissing me off, man. Head, just put the foot down, buddy. Oh, and he's climbing in as well. This is a joke. We're doing an experiment to see if I can run out the bus. The bus is back there. I jumped off when it was started to slow down on the bridge. I think I can outrun the bus. I can already see the bus depot. I'll try and not kill you. I should probably try and make better use of the depth portals, to be honest. Let me grab it, turbine. The box. Is the box at fucking down? Oh, I've gotten so unlucky with this fucking box. Comes a bus. I'm just gonna run. Oh, that felt good, just sniping him in the face. Jesus. Okay, the bus is caught up to me. Let's go back on this motherfucker. Set to kill that zombie. Oh, I knew that would end the round. I knew that would end the round. You're joking. This game has been nothing but a pain in my ass, man. This game has been nothing but a pain in the ass. Oh, right, I got the turbine back. Oh, the box is at farm. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. I want to run a farm. Box is at farm, I repeat, that is a good thing. Let's get it moving, man. Holy balls. Did the Oh, I got caught by the denizen on the fire. See if I die at the fire, I'm gonna cry. They just want a ray gun, man. You can take a shortcut to town. Oh my god. Oh, close one, close one, close one. This gun sucks, I'm gonna be glad to get rid of it. I know that this time I will get the ray gun. Alright, let's just use up as much of this file as I can. It's going to get a bit not nice up in here. They're jumping up. I'm gonna die. This is why I hate this map. This is why I hate this map. If I go down here, like for good, I'm just gonna take it honestly. It's a gun, I guess. I'm gonna die. It was fucking foul again, bro. Oh my god. Alright, well this will be a good test to see if it does not affect my stats. So 600 kills, 2 downs. I should just ended the game. Fuck. Oh well. Let's see. Oh, you can still rank up. Goated. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, that's good, that's good. Alright, I'll see you again next time. Jesus.